This is our final review video on phase changes and diagrams. Phase diagrams show the effective temperature and pressure on a substance. They're split into three distinct regions representing the solid, liquid, and gas states of a substance.
All right, here drawn is a phase diagram for water. So on the x-axis is the temperature in degrees Celsius. On the y-axis is the pressure in ATM. So in this area is a solid, this area is a gas, this area is a liquid. This point over there, that's the critical point. And right here is where all the three phases meet, which is the triple point.
Triple point is when pressure and temperature at which all three states of matter exist simultaneously. Critical point is when pressure and temperature at which the distinction between liquid and gas can no longer be made.
Water has a negative slope line between solid and liquid. This means that solid is less dense than liquid. Normal refers to 1 atm or atmospheric pressure. Melting point is equal to freezing point at 0 degrees Celsius. Boiling point is equal to condensing point at 100 degrees Celsius. It's important to remember that each substance has a unique phase diagram.
So practice problem number 1. Given the phase diagram above, what phase would H2O be in if it is at 75 degrees Celsius and at 5 atmospheric pressure? So at 75 degrees Celsius is right here, and then at 5 atmosphere, 0.5, it's right here, so it'll be a gas. And then for the first U-try problem, using the diagram above, what phase would water be in if it is at 50 degrees Celsius and at 1 atmospheric pressure? So take a second to solve the problem. So, after some time now, you should have gotten liquid for your final answer for the first U-try problem. Practice problem number 2, guys. Describe any changes in phase present when H2O is kept at 0 degrees Celsius while pressure is increased from 0.5 to 1 atmospheric pressure. So let's take a look here. 0 degrees Celsius, 0.5, all the way up to 1. So this gas to solid. Second U-try problem says, using the given diagram, describe any changes in phase present when H2O is kept at 1 atmospheric pressure while the temperature is increased from 0 degrees Celsius to 100 degrees Celsius. Take some time to solve it. You should have gotten liquid to gas for that U-try problem. Go.
Phase changes describe the physical change substances undergo when they shift from one form or phase to another. There are two classifications of phase changes, endothermic and exothermic.
Endothermic describes when substances absorb heat during a phase change, increasing temperature. Examples of endothermic phase changes include melting, going from solid to liquid, boiling, going from liquid to gas, and sublimation, going from solid to gas.
Exothermic describes when a substance releases heat during a phase change, decreasing overall temperature. Examples of exothermic phase changes are freezing, which is going from a liquid to solid, condensing, going from gas to liquid, and deposition, going from gas to solid.
That concludes our project.